So we're gonna try, I guess, the local Vietnamese coffee. It's called Highland coffee. I think it's similar to Starbucks. Similar to Starbucks, but this is a type of coffee. Oh yeah, here. Highlands coffee. There's a bunch of these shops scattered all over. And I guess this is their specialty coffee. It's clean. So I wanted to try this one because right across the street is Starbucks, right on that side, but I wanted to try something different. We always, I mean, we can get Starbucks anytime we want, but we wanted to get this. I think this is only a Vietnamese brand. I haven't seen this anywhere else, but it's so curious. Looks good too. But over here they call it Phin Sữa Đá. I don't know what that means. Maybe caffeine? I don't know. Something different. But they do have espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, and Americano as well. But you know, while we're in Vietnam, we want to try the Vietnamese specialty, right? So it's got to be the cafe. I ordered 2 today already, but it was so puny. I feel like I only had a couple of sips so far. But you know what? They have like finger sandwiches. A lot of it is like really thin sandwiches, about yay long. It's really skinny, and a lot of the time they'll put like pate or something inside, yeah. And they also have desserts over here as teas, and looks like they also smoothies, yeah. I think they do smoothies as well too. So very similar to American versions of Starbucks. Okay.
Oh, do you have a lid?
So this is it.
Thank you.
Highland coffee. Okay, this is their version of large, which is like maybe twice as much as the other one. Oh, but let's try it out. See if it's any good. That's good. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Oh wow. This is good. Sweet.
This way.
Wait, hold on. Highland coffees? Highlands coffee. This is it. It's actually pretty good. I think I like it better than Starbucks. Yeah, you can definitely taste that condensed milk. It's good. Sweet. Very similar to what we had this morning. The flavor is just like what we had this morning. Yummy. And look at that. How unique is that? Right on the sidewalk. Seems like he knows what he's doing. We passed this guy a couple of days ago, and I was so curious how he's just cutting hair right on the side. Oh, he's using, it's not a plug, he's actually using a rechargeable clipper. And it seems like he knows what he's doing. So the question is, should I get my hair cut? Last time I got my hair cut in the Philippines, it was cookie. For the rest of my trip, I had to wear a cap. I wonder if I should chance it. What do you guys think? No, it's not. They just stopped. I just want to know how much. Let me ask him. Oh, this guy's just scissors. It's not.
You see, he's done. It wasn't even 10 minutes.
This is only a trim. It's not like a taper cut. Let's see. Oh my god, vampire. Yeah, ask him. How much? Anh bao nhiêu vậy? Bao nhiêu cá? 50.
How long is it?
I don't know.
Excuse me, what time you open tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow morning open. 9 a.m. I can color hair at 9 a.m. Do you color your hair here? They do for you? Nice your color.
Look how meticulous she is. Look at that. Oh, I should have took before and after. Look, so much nicer now. Looks clean now. Oh, look at that after. Before and after. Cho em. Yeah.
Thank you.
Em muốn nói tên của cái tiệm này với địa chỉ không? Nói đi quảng cáo cho em nè. Đâu?
Lên cho bạn.
Hả? Cái này là gì? Đinh bạc. Okay, this is her. I mean, this is the shop. There's the address. Oh, right here. Address is right here. Rồi, tên em là cái gì? Nói đi, người ta lợi. Cho người ta lợi kiếm không?
Dạ em tên Dương.
Dương, okay. Okay, guys. If you want perfect feet like that, come ask for her.
Thank you, madam.
Cảm ơn em nha.
Dạ.
Yeah.
Dạ.
Yeah. Sống này đi Đà Lạt.
Dạ.
Rồi mới về Sài Gòn, rồi mới đi Mỹ.
Dạ.
Qua Mỹ.
Còn đi 2 nơi nữa.
Yeah.
Dạ.
Yeah. Cảm ơn em nha.
Dạ.
I couldn't help myself. I love coconut, and like I said in all my travels, everywhere I go, I want coconut. It has different flavors no matter where I go. Not too sweet, not too bland either. Right in the middle. That's delicious. Hey, I don't know what this is. I don't know, they just brought this out and they said to dip it with the fermented shrimp paste. I really don't know what it is.
It's some kind of pickled guava, pickled onion,
This is not an onion.
pickled guava then.
I have no idea what this is. In my entire life, I've never seen this. So I don't. If any of you guys know what this is, please leave a comment because I don't have a clue.
Oh,
But let's try it.
kumquat. It's kumquat.
Said to dip it with the fermented shrimp paste. That is so unique. I have no idea what that is. But hey, check out this rice. This is such a unique rice. It's very hard on top. Let's try this rice. It's kind of like the texture of burnt rice, which is a thing in Vietnam, but it's still piping hot. The exterior is like really hard, and the interior is nice and soft. It's okay. This is lemongrass chicken, stir-fried lemongrass, and this is snakehead, sautéed in a clay pot with black pepper and some sugary sauce. And that's the crazy thing. I've never seen that before. All right,
Earthy.
let's try this bad boy out. It's actually really good. I think this is free range chicken. Got a little chew to it.
Dengan ketchup yan.
It's good.
Dengan palma.
The sauce is really nice. Oh, it's got bell peppers in it, onions. That's nice. My first time eating snakehead fish. Normally I eat this, it's catfish, but today I saw snakehead, so I wanted to try it. Oh, it's good. It's good. Oh, it's good. I like it. I can't even tell. It kind of tastes like catfish. The rice is a little difficult using just chopsticks. Oh yeah. Oh. I like it. I love that they use so much garlic in just about everything. There's just so much flavor. So good. So delicious. This tastes so different, but it harmonizes. It's so good. Just looking at this dish, it looks so complex, but man, that flavor works. It looks busy. It looks like a whole bunch of ingredients, but man, they all work together. I noticed the onion here are really, really sweet. I think if I stayed here, I would get so fat. I would gain so much weight. Because everything tastes good to me. Delicious. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
No, y'all. Lấy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So for our final bill, this is what the bill looks like. We ordered quite a bit of things. Oh, the rice. Oh, the meal. That's what it is, T. The meal. This one. Remember I was asking you? Oh, now I know. So I was.
I wanted to ask what it's.
She don't know any English. She can hardly speak English. Oh, okay. So for our last dinner over here, so this is what we got here. I was curious. I was wondering what meal is. It's this clay pot rice. That's what it is. I don't think I enjoyed that as much as regular jasmine rice or broken rice. But anyways, the snakehead fish, that's the first time. It was pretty good. Anyways. Look at it. Alright, so we ate this twice today. That's the whole time I was wondering what the meal was, and now I know. Anyways, this is it. It's a lot more busy at night. Much more busier at night than it is during the daytime. Or at least maybe we came at the wrong time. But anyways.